Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix any stuck transactions on MetaMask in 10 seconds. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Mexi Global using my referral link in the description, which will give you 8000 USDT as sign up bonus. And as you can see, Mexi Global has the lowest buying and the selling fees. And you can also buy more than 3000 plus different altcoins on Mexi Global. Now in order to fix the stuck transactions on MetaMask, simply head to MetaMask and then go ahead and click over here on these three lines. Now go to settings and now go ahead and click on advanced. Now all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and click on clear activity tab data and then again click on clear. Now there should be no stuck transactions on the MetaMask wallet. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.